Hi there, this is Joseph of Joseph Forex Tribe. I welcome again for another video. And today is our day 36. So pag-usapan natin today is about follow-up. So ano ba yung follow-up? So follow-up, basically, ang benefits nito ay just like strengthens relationships, improves communication, and can lead to increased sales or customer satisfaction and loyalty. So kailangan natin tong follow up na to kasi baka may mga clients tayo na ready na sila mag-deposit or mag-sign up, kaso naging busy lang sila, then nakalimutan na nila na na kailangan nilang tapusin pala yung sign up nila or deposits nila, then kailangan nilang yung guide natin just to make sure na nagawa nila yung process. So we need a follow up, right? So para ba mag-follow up na hindi naman pushy, no? Alright, so ito yung ito yung 3 tips, no? So be friendly and not salesy. So yun, hindi ka nga parang namimilit, so parang friendly lang. You sound genuine, so yung parang normal na usapan lang, hindi naman kailangan na parang something like professionals, no? And ito pinaka-important is you offer help, not annoying. So dito naman hindi na sila pinipilit, so kung ayaw nila wala namang problema. So our goal here is to offer help. So I have here some examples of mga messages so we can use and model, right? So number 1 ito. Hi Pops, just checking in. Let me know if you're still curious about the forex copy trading. So yan. So ikaw bahala kung ano yung tawag mo sa kanya. Hi sir, hi ma'am, no. So ito yung sample lang, no. So parang alamin mo lang kung still interested pa siya dun sa copy trading or forex or education or what services you offer. Alright? So another example is ito. Hi bro, I just helped a student set up copy trading and he earned 1,000 pesos on his first week. Let me know if you want to help too. No pressure. So ayan, so parang nabigay ka ng testimony diyan dun sa client mo na nag-copy sa'yo before. No, pwedeng may screenshot yan na pinakita mo sa kanya. Another thing is, for example to, Box, busy ka ba? If you're still interested in passive income through forex, I'm still here to help you anytime. So these are some examples lang, no. You can create your own naman. So as you can see, parang hindi naman siya pushy or salesy na follow up, no. Parang normal conversation lang. So ganyan lang, parang din we don't need to pressure them or tayo mismo hindi na kailangan magpaging pressure para lang mapasign up sila, mapa-deposit sila and do the copy trading, no. So just be friendly lang and not be salesy. Alright, so that's it for today, and all you have to do is to post your resibo on our group, and I hope na may tutunan ka for today's lesson, and see you again tomorrow for another video tutorials natin. Alright, so thank you, bye bye, and God bless.